What's going on YouTube? BryceCrispy94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. I do apologize, my mic is still having a little bit of issues. I'm hoping I'm still loud, but you can probably still hear the AC like full blast. So again, apologies in advance for that. Really hoping to get that taken care of soon. Piece is on its way, and I hope that will fix the issue. So, now onto the actual video. Why you guys are actually here, not to listen to my tech problems. But we are doing a Saytr. So, this is actually from a Critical Role 2-pack that came with the Verdant Guard Marksman from a couple weeks ago. We did like a whole Critical Role week, and you know, this Critical Role week too, because we had the opening, the Critical Role opening set on Monday. So yeah, I figured, yeah, I got some Critical Role stuff. Let's do like a couple Critical Role weeks here. So this is a typical Saytr, not like the coolest figure, but it's a Saytr, so I wanted to do it. Mostly going to be using colors from my Vallejo range here. We have the Beastly Brown, which is going to be most of her fur. I'm going to go with the Dark Green to do her top. Then I have Bone White for her horns. I'm going to do a combination of Sun Yellow and Dead White for her hair. I got Army Painter Matte Black for her hooves. I've got Leather Brown to do, she's got like a little belt on that kind of loops down. And then finally her skin is going to be a nice amber from Army Painter's skin tone range. So that is enough chit chat. Let's get painting. Alright guys, we are back with the finished Saytr. Let me get that pulled up for you. So here she is, and I like how I painted it. I think the paint turned out really well. Let me see if I can kill it for the hair so you guys can actually see there. The blonde, I think the blonde color turned out super good. Definitely going to be using that combination for blonde hair in the future. I think I used, it was 2 drops of Vallejo Dead White and 2 drops of Sun Yellow, also Vallejo, and I think it turned out super well. The horns look like horns. I mean, her fur looks good. Turn the light back on so you can actually see the tones in the fur on her legs. I guess my issue with this figure is it's very basic and bland. I don't know. I got this pack. It was the Verdant Guard and Saytr. More for the Saytr because I was like, oh, cool. I haven't really seen a WizKids Saytr. I like Saytrs. I think they're a cool race. Fern is one of my favorite characters in Campaign 3 of Critical Role. And this was the representation. I'm like, oh, it's really basic. I don't like that it's in like an action pose with no like real weapons or spell effects. If it was more just like to be like a townsfolk, fine. But it's in this like, you know, action-y pose. I guess maybe you could say, oh, it's a monk, you know, because there's no weapons or anything, and it's lightly armored. But yeah, just not like my favorite, I guess. But I do think the paint turned out super well. And I look forward to painting more of the Critical Role minis because I think they're super cool, and I have a bunch more to paint. So be on the lookout for those. Hopefully the mic issue will be getting resolved in the next coming videos. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.